Hello everyone. 你好，大家好。你好，大家好。Welcome to today's lesson on Common Conversations in Chinese Mandarin for Beginners. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, like and share this video. Also, check the WhatsApp contact for our best short-term online communicative Chinese course with certification. Now, let's begin. Let's start with a simple greeting. Hello, 你好，你好. How are you? 你好吗? I am fine. 我很好. And you? 你呢? Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你. Common pronouns in Chinese. I, me. 我, you. Him, 他. She, her, we. Us, 我们. Them, 他们, 他们.
你好，你叫什么名字？
我叫艾米，你呢？
我叫大卫，很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你。
Useful daily expressions. Thank you. 谢谢. You're welcome. 不客气. Excuse me. Sorry. 对不起. It's okay. 没关系. Goodbye. 再见. That's all for today's lesson on Common Chinese Conversations for Beginners. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, like, and share this video. For a short-term online course on communicative Chinese with certification, check the WhatsApp contact in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. 再见.